Hi guys, it's Melissa from the Melmar Group, and today's video is about easy ways to save money at Christmas on food. So if you want to know more, stay tuned. Okay, so we're all busy at Christmas time. If you haven't seen my video yet about planning ahead so that you don't have to worry later at Christmas, I will put a link to that down below, but that is great about clearance shopping and repurposing things and planning ahead so you don't have to spend full price at Christmas time for gifts. But I wanted to also talk to you about food at Christmas. Now, I think I've done videos before about how the grocery ads around the holidays are my favorite time to shop and you can stock up all of those great things. And that still applies, that hasn't changed. And if I can find the video on that, I'll put that down below. But I went to the store today for a couple things and I thought I need to share this with them. So if you'll take the time to go through your grocery ads when they come, which if my husband ever watches this video, he will laugh because he always thinks that I wait until the last day of the sale to go get something and then there's nothing left because life has been so busy lately. And it's true, but this week I was on top of it. And so I looked at the ads and saw that there were several ads where there were things on for one day for really cheap. And today happened to be one that I wanted what they had on sale. So I went to Fresh Market, which is a local store here, and they had the Betty Crocker fudge brownie mix for 49 cents, no limit. Well, my husband makes amazing brownies with that mix. That's our favorite brownie mix. But think about that for a neighbor gift. If you wanted to bake it, or even if you didn't, if you gave it with a little thing of measuring spoons, or even just tied a cute bow around it for 49 cents. But I wouldn't have known about that if I had waited on those ads. And that store has an ad item like that. I think they're calling it the 12 days of Christmas. So every day there's a different item that's on sale like that. Now, do I think you should run to the store every day? No, because you'll probably pick up other things that you don't need. But something like that is the only brownie mix that we buy and that could be used at the holidays for a neighbor gift, why not? Okay. So in looking at our Smith's ad this week, they had something that I've done a couple years in the past. And they do it at this week, which is a week before the Christmas ad comes out. And what they do is they offer this New York holiday roast. This is basically New York steak. And it's $3.99 a pound. Normally, this can be $5-6 a pound, but it's $3.99 a pound. So what I do is I plan ahead, I go in, I ask them to slice it into steaks for me, and we have it at Christmas or New Year's. You don't have to have it sliced into steaks. I mean, you could cook it as a roast, but we have a really nice meal, and I only paid $3.99 a pound. Sometimes I pay $3.99 a pound for a rump roast. So I'm getting New York steak for $3.99 a pound, but I had to watch the ad because this happens the week before the Christmas food ad. And I know that because I've done this for a couple of years, so it was no surprise to see it. Another thing is they'll do things like the 3-day only ads, and I'm not sure, these digital coupon 3-day only ads. And it's Thursday through Saturday only. You go on their website, you click the digital coupon, so it loads it onto your membership card or the card that they scan at the checkout, and you can use it up to 5 times. So let's say you've been invited to a party, okay? Somebody's invited you to a party, and you're supposed to bring some food. Well, you could get some crackers on sale, 99-cent cheese that you slice up, and, maybe some dip and some carrots and celery, and you've just made a fruit tray. You've just made a vegetable tray for probably $5 at the most. So, this kind of thing, planning ahead on that is a great, great thing. Another thing If you're having a party or you know, whatnot, here's the crackers, $1.67. But if you're having a party, watch the ads because they'll put 2 liters on for 88 cents. Now, we love 2 liters at our house, so we would buy these whether we were having a party or not. But I've seen people that put a ribbon on this and give it as a neighbor gift for 88 cents. But it's on sale right now for the 12 deals of Christmas. And again, I wouldn't know if I had not looked at the ad. One final thing. We're all busy at the holidays, right? We're all looking for easy ways to feed our family and to do it as quickly and easily and inexpensively as we can. Well, looking at the ad this week, 80-ounce frozen lasagna. You could get this in cheese or meat flavor, and these were $5.99. $5.99 for lasagna. Now, is it the best lasagna you've ever had? No, but it's an 80-ounce. It's ready in 2 hours if it's frozen, probably about an hour if you left it out on the counter for a little while, and $5.99. This would be great. If you were having a party, you could cook a bunch of these. This would be great if you needed to take something to a party, a work party, something like that. This could be great for feeding your own family on a busy day, or also if you take a meal into someone. So buy it now, put it in your freezer, and then you've got it. You can use it now, you can use it later, but you've planned ahead and you can save some money doing that with very little effort. So I hope that that helps you. I hope that all is well, and I hope that you don't feel like I'm yelling at you, because that's not my intention. I get excited. But there are so many ways you can save money if you'll just put a little bit of effort and time in up front and just watch for things. They'll go on sale and you can save money that you can use on other things in your life or for your family or whatnot. So I hope that these tips help you. I hope you'll watch that other video about repurposing things. And until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.